Alright, the one thing that people don't think about on building cafe racers is the freaking kickstand, and it's always too short after you're done. So you have to get a longer one. John C. So today I'm finally changing out the kickstand on the CX500. If you're doing a cafe racer build, and since I made the bike a little higher, the stance is a little bit higher in the back and lower in the front, the kickstand was a little bit too short. So today we're going to be changing that out. I know there's not much information online about this thing, like doing this. So we're going to go over to a local motorcycle salvage yard, see if we can get one that fits the CX500, but it's about 2 inches longer. So I kept the old center stand, and the center stand, I didn't grind the frame off, so I can still install that while I'm getting the kickstand switched out. Center stand is an easy install, and since I only need it temporarily, I don't need to bolt anything back in. There we go. Alright, and the kickstand's now free, so we can just take that off. To get the spring off, it's not that tight, and you could probably use pliers, but my favorite way is just get a piece of wire, and then it's a lot easier to pull down that way, just like that. Makes it a lot easier than pliers. Pliers are always super awkward trying to pull it and pinch it at the same time, so that's a lot easier. And there it is. So what we need to do is get a kickstand that looks almost identical to this one, but is about 2 inches longer, 2.5 inches or so longer. If you get it too long, it's not going to stand the bike. It's going to be too vertical and it could fall over, so you don't want to get too long, but too short, of course, is going to lean too far over. And we want to make sure that this is the same mount, just like that. And we also want to make sure, well, it doesn't really matter, but this needs to be on this side. Some kickstands have it on this side for a spring that goes beneath, but we'll try to get one as identical as possible to this one, but just a little longer. If we can't, we just need to make sure that the mount is right, and we can modify the front. So, all right, so let's head over. Where I'm going is APF Motorcycle Salvage Yard. It's down the road from us a bit, so let's head over and try to find one. All right, so we just got to APF Motorcycle Yard, and holy crap, they have so much here. These right here are all kickstands, so we're looking for the match for the CX500. Young Swag's with me picking it apart, and she actually found one that's very similar, but not quite the exact same, but it's the length that we need, so that's an option, but we're still sniffing around. There's a lot here though. This is awesome. All right, so we're back. This kickstand I got it works fine. It is about 1 inch or so, 1.5 inches or so longer than the stock one. This one was off a 1982 XR85, so like the dirt bike, kind of like that guy over there. The spring actually matches perfectly with the stock kickstand, so it should just bolt, it should just go straight on. I actually need to test it right now, and let me just do that really quick. All right, so let's see if it works. Yep, perfect. All right, so that works great. So next thing I need to do is paint it. So I need to go get some sandpaper. You can see it's a little bit rusted here and at the top, so I need to give it a good paint. And that's that, and then you install it, and it's a new kickstand. And this bike will finally sit on its own, and I can actually ride it places. That'll be nice. All right, so after sanding it, cleaning it up, and then giving it a fresh coat of paint and clear coat, this kickstand's looking great. It's looking great. All right, so you were just rolling up somewhere on your custom CX500, and you're like gonna dismount like a boss. Just put that kickstand down, just like that. Then just set her right down. And there it is. There it is. This is, I think, the perfect kickstand height, actually. It sits just sideways enough. It kind of scared me the first couple times I did it, but I think it's actually the ideal kickstand height. Again, I think this was an XR85 kickstand. Yeah, so now I can actually ride places. This is great. And it looks good too. It fits the bike really well. So, all right guys, make sure to like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.